Giantex full automatic washing machine portable compact 1.34 Cu.ft laundry washer spin with drain pump, 10 programs 8 water level selections with LED display 9.92 lbs capacity. This product is not for sale in California. On the control panel are there 10 programs, 8 water level selections and LED display. All functions in operation including water level spin, program delay, time set and child lock are listed clearly. Detergent and procedure choice are also included to meet your various needs. Compact design and large load capacity. Giantex washing machine is compact and lightweight for you to easily move it in your home. But the honeycomb-shaped inner tub can load 9.92 pounds at one time and wash many clothes for you. In manual, we also listed reference weight of various clothes. Time and water level control. Under delay function, previous to washing, the digital timer shows your preset time, but when it is washing, the digital timer shows the rest washing time. Pressing water level spin button, you can select appropriate level. If you need to add water during washing, you can press water level spin button and unpress will stop adding. Easy and safe to operate and monitor. With detailed and specific manual, it is easy and convenient for you to operate it and inlet and drain water. Clear and transparent lid allows you to see and monitor the water and washing condition. Once child lock function is set, all buttons are locked and the machine stops run and error alarms if the top lid is opened. Multifunctional Control Panel, automatic imbalance adjustment and adjustable foot. While spinning, if the laundries inside the tub are not put equally, it would cause violent vibration. At this time, our washing machine's imbalance adjustment function will start automatically to adjust the imbalance situation if vibration is beyond certain level. Bottom feet can be adjusted too. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.